How to fix WhatsApp notifications on Android. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from App Guide. In today's video, I will simply show you how you can fix the WhatsApp notifications on your Android phone. But before we get started, as always, if you are new to our channel, make sure to leave a like and hit that subscribe button. And without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. So first things first, what you have to do is, what happens is that let's say that you're actually not receiving any type of notifications on WhatsApp. It could be because the WhatsApp app is locking some permissions. But before that, if you're actually not being able to hear the notification of a certain profile, then you could actually tap on the three dots and then go to the more section, and you could have actually mute that particular person's chat. For example, you could go ahead and tap on it and you can see this option which says mute notifications. You could have actually mute this person's notifications. So what you want to do is simply unmute it right over here. Once you've unmuted, you basically want to come back and then see if that fixes the issue. If not, the other thing we're going to do is we're going to open settings, and after we open settings, go to notifications. And once we go to notifications, tap on the more button and we will simply search for WhatsApp over here. As you can see, the toggle is also turned on. Make sure it is turned on, but tap on it and then again you want to make sure that it's turned on show notifications tab. And you have this option which says notification categories, and you want to make sure that all of the toggles is actually turned on the right hand side of the screen. And basically you also want to make sure it is set to allow sound and vibration, not to deliver quietly. So make sure that it is set to allow sound and vibration. Go to notification categories and go ahead and simply either actually turn on all of these notification categories and tap on the alert button. And hopefully one of these would have helped solve your problem. If it did help solve your problem, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, queries, or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.